Your arrival on the neonatal unit may feel overwhelming.
I had no idea what a neonatal unit was before we'd given birth. I knew nothing really about, well, neither of us knew anything about premature babies. And then we find ourselves here, thrown into this completely different world that no one expects to be in. You know, you expect to give birth, hold your babies, and go home. And that hasn't happened to us.
If your baby is born very early or poorly, they'll be admitted to a hospital that provides all levels of neonatal care.
We basically have 3 levels of care when you're talking about neonatal care. There's intensive care, high dependency care, and special care. And intensive care is the most invasive, usually babies who are being fully ventilated, tubes in their lungs attached to ventilators. When they move down from that level of care, they usually move into high dependency care, and they may still be getting some sort of respiratory support, but it's usually much less than full ventilation. And in special care, you usually get babies who are now not needing anything very much in terms of ventilation, but may need a bit of extra oxygen, so they're having these maybe little nasal prongs stuck up the nose. They're usually in the phase where they are adapting now to complete stability, so they may not be feeding terribly well, but are starting to feed. So it's the adaptation to complete independence from the neonatal unit.